Hello, I'm Chad Gettin. Welcome to another Media Minute. Last time we talked about corn pollination, and you come back in about 21 days, and that's when your kernels will be at milk stage, and then you can get a yield estimate at that point. What I like to do, go into the area of the field where you want to get your estimate, mark off 1/1007 acre, which for 30-inch rows is 17.4 inches, 17.5 feet I use, and I just basically use my boot because it's about 12 inches. I'll step off that distance and count the harvestable ears in that 17.5 feet. Next step, you want to pull 3 ears out of that 17.5 feet. Make sure you just do the same ears each time you do it consistently, so I like to choose, say, the 3rd, 6th, and 9th ear. And then off those 3 ears, you're going to get your average, the kernel average per ear. So you count the rows around, the number of rows around. On this ear it's 14, and then count the kernels down. This one's 28, so you multiply 14 around times 28, and do that average, get your average, and then you can do your equation. So take your number of harvestable ears that you found, whether it's 28, 32 ears, and that's 17.5 feet, times your average kernels per ear, and then you divide it by called a fudge factor, but it's the average value for your kernel weight. This year we're using 90 because the kernels are a little small due to the weather we've had, but in a normal year you'd probably use 80 or 85. So there again, you're going to take the number of ears, say it's 32, times your average kernels per ear, which for this one I think it was 490, and then divide it by 90, and that will give you your yield per acre. This corn here I checked this morning, and I was pleased to see this was later planted corn, and this tested 130 bushels, so with the conditions this year I was real pleased with that. So thank you.